girls and dudes, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be conducting an unboxing and a marker review on Faber Castell 50 pieces connector marker sketch pens. I bought this online on Shopee worth 591 pesos unlike its original price, which is 647 pesos plus shipping fee. It took 7 days to deliver due to the pandemic going on, but it's alright. Since it was bought online, I did not expect that it is wrapped very well, but it did. There are also no dent or damages on the container as well. So the connector pens that I bought is in bottle or jar container, not in its regular carton box case. I think the bottle or jar container is a great way in organizing the marker pens. Honestly, I already had this kind of marker pens before that was in a carton box case from my tita, and it was really hard to keep the box all together. So I kept my old markers in this container to be more organized. So in the bottle container, there are the clip-out things that you will use to connect the markers, stickers where you can color with, the manual, and of course the marker pens. The marker pens are in a solid color container of what the color of the marker should be. It has a brand name on its side and also a cap that looks like a hook to connect with the clip-ons and to the other markers. Now for the swatches. Unfortunately, unlike the bottle with no damage or defect, one of the markers had this cut on its cup. This is my old drawing where I used my old Faber Castell Connectore pens. All in all, I can say that this Connectore pens is easy to use, fun to play with, great start for the beginners, good for coloring, worth to buy, but since I bought it online, expect that there are some defects, and that defects made me kinda disappointed. My overall rating was 9.5. Thanks for watching. Bye!